So in this video, you'll learn how to disable the TalkBack feature on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you currently have TalkBack enabled, this is how it sounds like.
Expand navigation drawer button out of pager. 12 June button 12 June 2025 10:25 image 1 UI home gallery in pager.
And so that's how TalkBack normally sounds like on your tablet whenever it's enabled. However, if you want to disable this feature and you're having trouble either navigating to where you can disable it, or you just don't know where you're going to be turning it off from, then this video is for you. So when it comes to navigating through your Galaxy tablet with TalkBack, it's fairly simple. Say, for example, you want to access the app recents window. All you need to do is, if you're using gestures, just swipe up with 2 fingers, not 1, but 2 fingers, like this, and it will open the recents window. If you're using the buttons navigation, so for example, if you have buttons, then you would tap on the home screen button once and then double tap on it again to select it. So say, for example, if I was going to launch an app, this is the same formula I would use. I would just select it once, the way you would for the home screen, and then just double tap on it, and I'll have successfully opened it. And so now all you need to do is simply use the same instructions whenever it comes to accessing the apps drawer. So if your apps drawer is activated, when you want to access it, you'll just swipe up like this, and you can see the app screen being opened. Again, depending on how you've set your home screen settings, all it means is just you doing a simple swipe to look for the settings app. So if your home screen is set to have the settings app here, then you can just select it and open the app. So once you found the settings icon, just select it once and then double tap to launch settings. From here, in order for you to scroll, you need to use 2 fingers. So just scroll through the settings menu until you find accessibility. Once you find accessibility, tap on it once and then double tap on it again to select it. From here, you should see TalkBack. So again, tap on it once and tap on it again to select it. Next, you should see this toggle at the top. So all you need to do is again tap on it once and double tap on it again to select it and confirm that you wish to turn off TalkBack. So turn off, double tap, and then you can see TalkBack has been successfully disabled. So now you can go ahead and just navigate through your tablet the way you would normally, with TalkBack successfully disabled on your tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.